Good morning, people. It's Nigel here. This morning we're at the Morning Nature Reserve in Lewes. I lived in Lewes for most of my life actually, and this was one of my local haunts that I used to come to a lot. Not been for a while, so it's quite nice to have a walk around again. Didn't have any intention of bringing the camera out today, so I've not got my gimbal with me, so you're going to have a bumpy ride again. A nice walk along here up on the downs. Yeah, there's been a few greenfinches. Yeah, it's been quite good this morning so far. Got a few little wrens we've seen, but not managed to catch them, unfortunately, but I will do. This was one of my favourite places. I used to follow a woodpecker nest here. I've done it for a few years actually, until fortunately they cut down tons of trees here, so the landscape has changed somewhat, although it doesn't look too bad at the moment with all the leaves. In the winter it just makes you cry. There's so many trees that have been locked down. But yeah, I used to follow some great spotted woodpeckers, and they were really nice to watch. We'll see if there's any around, but it's certainly a nice part of the world. It's the only bit of Lewes I miss, to be honest. Well, I'm going to concentrate on trying to get some pictures of some birds for you, and I'll catch up with you again a bit later. Yeah, this is an absolutely superb place to walk. It does get a bit busy with dog walkers and that, unfortunately, but as a dog owner myself, I appreciate that they need to be walked somewhere. So I like to get somewhere like this fairly early in the morning. But as I say, this is was a local haunt of mine. I used to follow great spotted woodpeckers here, a family, for a couple of years, and they were great fun to watch. In fact, I'll try and, if you look, you can make it out just in the distance. I'll try and zoom in for you, but let's see what happens. This is one of their haunts. I think you can see on the screen at the moment. No activity really, but yeah, they're great fun to watch. Great fun to watch. So you never know, you never know. There's loads and loads of birds around this morning. Some beautiful song. So yeah, it's good. Happy days. So I'm going to wait here opposite the woodpecker nesting site, see whether there's any action around. I'm not sure whether there will be, to be fair. I've not been up here, as I say, for quite some time, so I don't know whether it's redundant or there's going to be any around. But we give it a few minutes. We'll see what we can see. Well, good news. Got my first woodpecker. He was right up there, so he's quite a way away, unfortunately. But it's a woodpecker, chuffed to bits, great stuff. I'll stick those pictures on a bit later. This is always a good walk this time of day here, because the sun's behind you. So as you're walking along the top here, it's great for photos. Unfortunately, when you turn and walk back the other way, it's a wee bit bright, but you just have to keep turning around, I guess. Beautiful though. Well, thanks for watching. These are some pictures that I took. This is a female blackcap. And this was their lucky catch of the day, which is the great spotted woodpecker. And next we got the goldfinch. Now the greenfinch, which is it's a bird that I don't see that often personally, but pretty bird. And this one, the blackbird. And last but not least, the chiffchaff. Thanks again for watching, really appreciate please like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you next time.